Okay, welcome to NerdTube. Today we are going to solve these problems, okay? This is a problem that we're going to solve. 6 divided by 2 in the bracket 1 plus 3 is equal to what, okay? First thing first is to divide 6 by 2. And then we are going to add 1 plus 3, okay? So let's do this. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3, right? Remember that is equal to 3. And then in the bracket 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, okay? Then is equal to what? So it will be 3 times 4 is equal to 12. That's how you can solve this one. Let me give you another math again. Let's say 6 divided by 2 in a bracket 1 plus 2 is equal to what? Okay, so this is another question. So we are going to calculate these things again together. Like I told you earlier, we're going to divide 6 divided by 2 in the bracket 1 plus 2 is equal to what? That is the question, right? So here 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So here there's 1 here, or we can bring bracket again. 1 plus 2 is equal to what? Okay, 3 in the bracket 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 is equal to what? So 3 times 3, it will give you 9. So 9 is the solution. So let me give you something assignment that you can do. Okay, let me give you 2 plus 4, okay, in a bracket 2 times 3. Okay, what should be the solution? Tell me below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.